Hello, my name is Shasha Marie Alona Grace Tebes. I'm 39 years old and I'm currently here in Philippines. I am proud mother of 4 children. I have 2 daughters, aged 19 and 5 years old, and 2 sons, aged 17 and 3 years old. So I can say I have a strong personal experience in raising a kids. I am college undergraduate and studied Bachelor of Science in Business Administrations. And also I have certificate in caregiving and C2 in TESTA. I have overseas working experience in Saudi for 2 years and another 2 years in Hong Kong. In my previous jobs, I took care of newborn babies, toddlers, and young children. I'm experienced in feeding, bathing, changing diapers, preparing milk, and putting babies in sleep. In toddlers and young children, I can cook nutritious food, assist them in their schoolwork, and engage them in learning activities and playing activities. I can manage also household chores like cleaning, laundry, cooking, and assist the whole family's needs. My employer described me as patient, calm, trustworthy, and hardworking. I look forward in serving your family with love, dedication, and responsibility. Thank you.